Hi there. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to set up email automations using BaseMailer and Airtable. So let's go to the automation section. So this process is divided in two parts. One part is in the automation of the BaseMailer and second part is the Airtable's automation. So let's start with the BaseMailer automation. We will add new automation. Welcome email. I will choose my table. I'm going with my emails table. I'll choose email template. Welcome to the base mailer. I can see the preview from here. I'll choose my sender account and last my email column. So emails are in my email column. So I'll go with email column. And you can enter the description if you want and create automation. Okay, so it created automation and the code. So here is the instructions for setting up Airtable automation, but don't worry, it might seem complex, but it's not. So I'll copy this code and I'll move to the automations. I will create new automation. Okay, so you can choose any of your trigger, like when form is submitted, record enters in the view. So I'm going with the record enters in the view. I'll choose email stable and I will choose my view active users. I'll choose this one as a testing record. It looks good. Now, this is the part where we add the script provided by the place mailer. So add run script block in the actions. Okay, so I will remove everything and paste this code over here. And now from the inputs, add record, this type exactly as record in lowercase, and in the value, choose Airtable record ID. Okay, so this is the most necessary step. So make sure you use the same spelling as the record. You can run test and it will send the email and you can do the finish editing. Okay, so now our automation is ready. It's time to turn it on. Okay, perfect. So this is my active users view. Whenever a record changes and it goes to the active users, it will trigger the base mailer automation and it will send one email. And you can see in the action logs also, like trigger will be automation if it is email is sent from the automation, otherwise it will be the manual. And also in the email history you can see that if it was sent by automation or not. Thank you.